So Chef, tell us about what food trend you'll be demoing for us and what dish you'll be cooking.
Okay, so for now, no, for today, I'll be making street food couture. Okay, so yun yung gagawin natin.
Street food couture. So,
Yes.
yes, it's the pink booth over there, guys.
Yep. So basically, what I'll be doing is stuffed chicken wings
Stuffed chicken wings.
with
Okay.
elote and ahi verde on the side. So again, no, fried chicken is very common to all Filipinos. Every canto, every sides, meron tayong fried chicken.
Always,
Diba? But
yes.
of course, today, what we'll do, sabi nga sa street food couture, no, how to elevate these dishes. No? It could be premium ingredient or techniques. Okay? So, we'll be doing a stuffed chicken wings. No? So, but of course, here sa hotels, no, where we've been doing for centuries, no, mga rolado, galantina and everything. But now, medyo intricate to chicken wings naman yung part. So, just to make it more interesting also.
Yes.
Okay.
Stuffed chicken wings.
Yeah. So, actually, before that, what we'll do, let's make the elote muna. Okay, so basically, it's like a corn salad. So I have grilled corn here. So, grilled corn with butter na siya, guys. So what we'll do, we'll just put everything in the bowl. Okay?
And if you want, guys, pwede kayong lumapit or just look at the screen here behind Chef People.
I think kita naman yan.
Yes.
So, pa-focus lang dito. Okay, and then, for this one, actually, this one is inspired by Mexican. It's a Mexican dish, basically, but they're using fajita cheese. Dito wala tayong fajita, so I'll just use feta cheese, no? So, para iba natin. Now, Chef, how can we make it Filipino? What cheese can we use? You can use actually queso puti. For this one also. Okay? So, meron tayong lalagay lang natin dyan. So, ito size lang to, no? And so gumawa ako ng parang seasoning, all around seasoning na sprinkle for this one. So basically, it's a combination of Nor Sure Lasap, Nor chicken powder, and Nor sinigang sa palok mix. I added some sugar, okay, some black pepper, and basically some cayenne pepper. So yun ang ilalagay ngayon natin dito for seasoning, guys. So just a little bit.
It's your Nor Magic Mix.
Yes.
Combination of
parang
three.
no? To make it spicy, tangy, and yung savory flavor niya. And then, I'll add some sriracha naman, no? Just to make it, para may mag-bind sa kanya. Para may moisture siya at the same time. Just enough. Okay?
Para dumikit lahat.
Yes. And then, I'll be adding some, dito, ang tawag ko dito is, I call this golden crown. So basically, it's just croutons na mas finer, no? So, i-mix lang natin siya. Okay? So let's just set this aside. And then let's add some chives or spring onions to it.
For a nice kick in flavor and color.
Yes.
A nice green pop of color there.
Then all we have to do is, this one you can make this ahead of time, no? So,
Okay lang yan overnight, Chef, the day before. But
well, pwede naman during the day, no? If you will serve this for lunch, no? You can make it 3 hours before.
then itabi mo lang and
Yes.
then all the flavors will come together.
Yeah, so that's done, no? Okay na. Now, let's talk about the chicken, no? So dito, meron na tayong naka-prepare, no? So this one, I'll be, na-pre-fry ko na sa loob to, no? By the way, no, we have a new product, no? So this one is we called Nor Professional Crispy Breading Mix, no? So I guess, natikman nyo na siya kanina doon sa aming
Sa
tasting,
pantry,
sa sampling
yes.
namin kanina with the rice, no?
Is that what you use for the chicken, Chef?
Yes, so ito, if you could see, okay, so pre-fry na to, so it's still crispy at this point, no? So kanina pa natin na to, stuffed to. So anong stuffing ng chicken wings natin? Now it can be anything, no? But this one, we did pork, no? So parang inspired siya with any farce, like it can be a Shanghai or a potato mix that you can put inside, okay? And then we sous vide it for about 1 hour at 80 degrees C or Celsius. And then, pag kailangan nyo na siyang iprito, returnize lang, and then using yung aming Nor Crispy Breading Mix namin, and then we have this, guys. Okay. So with this, we'll also serve this with a soy ketchup glaze. So para siyang barbecue sauce, in a way, no? Pero Pinoy inspired, no? Okay. So, it's a mixture of soy, of course, Nor liquid seasoning, meron tayo some ketchup, some peppers, okay? And then i-reduce lang natin siya. And then we have that nice glaze. Okay? So components, we already have your corn, the lotus salad, your chicken, the glaze, and siguro it's time to plate. Excited ba kayo matikman to, guys? Nakapag-lunch na ba kayo? Malamang. Nung oras na din.
Gutom na nga sila,
Gutom na
Chef
nga.
Pico,
But
kaya
again, sana may
bilisan
gusto kayo.
natin,
Again,
yeah.
you'll be tasting 4 dishes pa. So this is just one of them. And then together with our colleagues, with Chef Paolo, Chef Brando, Chef James, and of course our boss, Chef Kenneth, they'll have their own dishes naman na matitikman ng lahat. Okay?
Promise guys, mabubusog kayo at the end of the event. So now we have the glaze, and now we're plating na.
Yan. So, Sisa, in terms of fried chicken, ano ba yung kailangan nandun for you?
Me, it's the seasoning.
Seasoning.
It's the seasoning. And Chef Pipo, favorite ko pa rin yung totoong fried sa oil.
Okay.
Kasi masarap din yung air fryer, pero mas masarap sa oil. For me, personal choice.
Yes.
Personal choice.
Okay, so yung Knorr crispy breading mix namin, aside from it's well seasoned already, guys. At the same time, yung crispiness niya will last 2 to 3 hours.
Wow, okay.
But of course, if it's holding time ng tama, meaning hindi siya tinakpan ng mainit, you know, if ilalagay nyo siya sa box, make sure it's corrugated or merong mga holes for breather, no?
So yun yung technique, Chef Pipo.
Yes.
We shouldn't cover it.
Yeah, and the good thing about this one is, yun nga, it's seasoned ready, hindi na kailangan ng ibang ingredients. Right, so,
Dali-dali
now we
niya.
have our plate here, so what we'll do, let's put your first,
That's new information for me. So thank you for sharing it. Dapat pala yung fried chicken, if you want it to stay crispy, dapat hindi takpan. That's my mistake. Although, Chef, lagi kong nauubos ka agad yung fried chicken. And so, there's no need to cover it. It's really, as you said, such a comfort food.
yes, actually ang issue dyan is during delivery. I think pares-parehas yan, even for change. Pagdating sa bahay, after mga 1 hour delivery, sagi mo siya minsan. That's why iba, they separate the sauce also. So, with that, okay, now yung glaze natin.
We'll dip the chicken in the glaze.
Yeah. So just put one. Yeah. Right. Then I have some pickled veg, no? So basically it's just pickling, no? It's about using cane vinegar, some sugar. So just put both ends. Then I have some ahi verde, basically. So ahi verde is like cilantro dressing, no? So we'll just put.
Can you smell that, guys? Okay, good news. We're passing around this chicken wing right now. Some of our
Yeah,
friends have
ayan
it
pala.
already on this
So,
side. So on the other side, yours is coming
Yes.
right up.
So napakagaling ng timing, no? Thank you guys, no? Right, and then, syempre, lagyan natin ng konting, no?
Edible flowers.
Just put some touch.
Masarap ba, friends? Yes.
Natikman na ba nila?
Ito here on this side of the room. Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you.